And friends, we are fortunate to be here at Valvoline Global's world headquarters in Lexington, Kentucky. And I have the pleasure of sitting down with Greg Barntsen. Greg, how are you?
I'm great, Jim. Thank you.
Do us a favor, if you don't mind. First of all, thanks for the hospitality. Thanks for making time for us. Tell us a little bit about your role here at Valvoline Global.
Well, I'm the Senior Vice President and General Manager of the Americas, and I lead the commercial functions here. And our job in the commercial functions is to grow the business here in the U.S. and internationally.
Well, you guys have had a Kentucky presence for going back as far as I can ever remember. What does an award like this actually mean to Valvoline Global in terms of its presence here in the Commonwealth, its reputation, its stature?
Well, receiving the Martha Layne Collins Award is a tremendous honor for everyone at Valvoline Global. Kentucky has been part of our story for decades, and it's where we built an international business that now reaches customers in more than 140 countries and territories. Our company continues to evolve globally, and Kentucky remains an important part of our international footprint. As the home of the Americas Hub and our Lexington and Ashland labs, they support global innovation. This recognition reflects the dedication of our employees here in Kentucky and around the world who continue to drive our growth.
Well, and speaking of around the world, can you talk to us a little bit about what a robust international strategy means for a Kentucky business?
Absolutely. So our mission as an organization is to inspire and enable what moves the world forward. And that means thinking globally while staying closely connected to the markets that we serve. A strong international strategy allows us to better anticipate customer needs, navigate changing market dynamics, and bring innovation to market more quickly. Our team here in Kentucky plays a valuable role in shaping and supporting that global success.
Yeah. And in terms of success then, as you look back over the last couple of years, has there been a particular innovation or maybe strategy that's really bolstered kind of what you all are doing both at the domestic level, but also at the global level?
Yes. This year, what really sets us apart was our ability to translate global insights into meaningful innovation for customers around the world. Whether it's developing advanced lubricant technologies like Restore and Protect, which is a one-of-a-kind innovation that was born right here in Kentucky, or tailoring products to meet regional performance standards and customer needs, we've remained focused on delivering solutions that solve real-world challenges. That combination of technical expertise, customer focus, and global collaboration continues to differentiate Valvoline on the international stage.
Well, in terms of then continuing that differentiation, going forward, how do you build on this success? What are some of the things that we should expect from Valvoline Global in the next few years? Anything exciting?
Great question.
Yeah.
As we continue strengthening our global organization, we will remain focused on expanding our innovation pipeline, growing in key international markets, and investing in the talent that powers our success. Kentucky will continue to play an important role in that journey, driving innovation, commercial excellence, and growth worldwide.
Incredible. You guys have a fantastic story to tell, and I love the fact that we get to spend some time today and talk about that. Once again, let me thank you all for your time, but let me also congratulate you and your team for being a 2026 Martha Layne Collins Award winner. That's just outstanding achievement, and we really appreciate what you all continue to do, not only for the country, but what you do for the Commonwealth here. Thanks to you and to all your team.
Thank you, Jim. We're very honored to receive it.
Absolutely. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and thanks for joining us once again, and we'll talk to you soon. We'll see you in August in Louisville for the World Trade Day. Take care. Bye-bye.